Okay, I have a Ilco with a quick set keyway. The lock does work very smooth. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, it is locked up. So let's put it in the vise and open it up, take a look at the pins. Okay, let's use bottom of the keyway and let's try this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, there's a little bit on pin 6. Pin 5. I believe we dropped pin 5. Okay, there's pin 1. Let's go to the back. Okay, let's reset it. Okay, let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, there's pin 1. Let's go to the back again. And okay, it's open. That doesn't make sense, does it? I would think the pins that is probably in this lock that this would be a little harder to open, but I'm not going to complain about it. Okay, if we lock it up, we still have a key, so let's see if we can get this clip off. Okay, let's go ahead and lock it up so that okay, there it is. Okay, let's turn it around like this. See if we can get this camera situated. Okay, there's pin 6. Pin 5. Pin 4. Okay, we got her. There it is. Let me move these over. I got them out of whack here. Okay, that was pin 3. Pin 2. And pin 1. Okay, as you can see, all the pins are in, all 6. They are working. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, let's take a look at our pins. Okay, they're all serrated. Let's take a look at the plug. Okay, every pin chamber in it is threaded. And there's no threading in the Bible. So let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, on 1, 2, and 3 we have serrated key pins. That looks like partial spool. That one is serrated. This is a spool serrated on top. This is serrated pin. This is a mushroom type pin. This one actually came out like this. Okay, the rest of these key pins are all serrated. This is a double spool standard pin. This is a spool with a serration on top. Okay, that's what we have in this Ilco with a quick set keyway. See if we can get a little bit closer view of the pins. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.